Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at KASPA. We're taking a look on the weekly, daily, and immediate short term for 4 hours. So go ahead and stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you are following along. And of course, I'm going to include some of our key resistance and support numbers if you guys are following these time frames. But let's go ahead and dive right in. So heading over to the weekly time frame first, we are trading at 0.116, we can see that the price is holding just above our 50% Fibonacci level, which is acting as a critical area of support, especially in the last couple of weeks or so. However, the price does remain below our 61% of our Fib, suggesting that the bullish momentum is still limited. Now, taking a look at our moving averages, these guys are acting as dynamic resistance areas, and the price, in order to continue a larger uptrend pace here, we do need to close above these moving averages. Our indicators that we like using is the RSI and MACD indicator. The RSI is roughly around the 37%. Now, this does indicate some bearish momentum, could possibly go into the oversolds below 30s before we see some potential buyers step in. If we take a look at the MACD indicator here, these histograms are negative and is still showing signals of selling pressure. Heading to our key levels here to watch on the weekly time frame, resistance is going to be around our 61% of our Fib at 13.5. And of course, if we're able to close above this first key area of resistance, we could see a potential skyrocket to 16 cents. In areas of support, when we do take a look at that histograms of our MACD indicator, if the substantial buyer or sellers come in and we do see heavy selling, we may see support break around our 11 cents and possibly go down to 8 cents depending on how strong that momentum is. Now, heading over to our daily time frame here, we can see that KASPA has formed a slight ascending triangle chart formation with a price making higher lows here, but struggling to break above our moving average 20. The 50 moving average here is also acting as a strong resistance. Now, if you guys are new to chart patterns, the ascending triangle here is just basically a straight line across, and then we see these higher lows at the very bottom here, and potential outcome is a breakout to the upside. We do essentially need to close above this resistance level here and hopefully act as a support in the breakout in order to confirm that ascending triangle. But if we do fail to break above the triangle here, price may continue to consolidate down to these lower lows. Now, the RSI is around 44%, showing that neutral momentum, while the MACD histograms is flipping slightly positive, suggesting that buyers may step in. I wouldn't really count on the MACD solely, so just double check your indicators before you move in. If KASPA can break above the 12 cents resistance line here, it could possibly aim for that 13 cents depending on how strong that rally is. However, if we do see a fail to hold above the 11 cents, it could definitely trigger that 8 cents that we did talk about. So kind of wrap up, our resistance is 12, possible break above 12 is going to aim for that 13. Support line here, if we fail at 11, coming down to that 8 cents. Heading to the immediate short term for 4 hours here, you guys, CAS is trading within this tight ascending channel. We can see a little bit more refined in our rejections from these resistance lines. And then we can see these lower highs as well in this ascending channel. Now, with the 20 moving average at 11 and the 50 moving average at 11.8, these guys are acting as short-term support and resistance. The price is currently hovering over that 23% of our Fib at 11.4, which is very crucial level for the short-term traders here. The RSI is around 58%. It is showing some strong momentum here, while the MACD indicator is showing slight positive. Just be very cautious in terms of these histograms aren't as strong as we wanted it to be, especially seeing a high RSI. On the downside, we are going to take a look at our quick supports here. Supporting area again is at 11.4. We've seen this 11.4 for all across our time zone. So we do ideally know this is going to be a strong support. Possibly a lot of people may be looking around this area of support, may trigger some interest in terms of some buyers around so support is 11.4 around our 20 moving average. And again, that 11.18 is a possible drop if we're not able to hold the support. Resistance is at the 12.5, possibly may shoot up to that 13 cents. So just be very cautious in terms of momentum. Again, volume is very, very key here. I like seeing volume ideally in whenever I'm trading on the platforms on TradingView or just overall volumes on CoinMarketCap. But let me know what you guys think as a final thoughts down below in the comments. If you guys enjoyed the video, like and subscribe as well. Show your love in the community here for KASPA. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.